Welcome back to Always Learning. And what are we doing today? Well, today we're learning how to caulk tile with sand grout after we've completed a job. And usually all you're doing is anywhere you've got gaps that it doesn't make sense to reach with the grout because it's going to crack. So like along this baseboard here, we're not going to come back and put cord around. We're just going to tape the tile, tape the edging, and then caulk between it. It's pretty simple. You just basically leave a space, leave a gap in the blue tape wherever you want the caulk to be, and then put the tape down to leave that gap. And that's what creates your caulk line. So here we ran the bottom on the tile, and then we're simply coming back and running it on top of it. And you can run it in two pieces or you can run it in one. A lot of people like to run it like 18-inch strips because it's easier to kind of work with. But you literally just, this is almost going to have a non-existent looking grout line when it's all done. You just run a line right along the baseboard, get it all smooth. And overlap it. If you don't like where it's at, like you want one part to be a little longer or a little lower, then just kind of redo it, but you're literally getting it as low as you can. The big thing is you just want it consistent. So you want it, if it doesn't look good, you just pull back off and start over and get a new piece. Either way, either one will work. This one's got a little fold in it, so I'm just going to flip it. Bottom's the only part that matters. And they make caulk now that matches your grout, so it should just be seamless. Just basically get it going like you would a regular bead of caulk. And you're not necessarily, like here, we're not really worried about a ton of it. I know the line's going to be really small. Just want to make sure you get it applied. Don't come back and fix it with our finger. Get it in the corner. Probably have to use my finger there. Get the other side. All right. Now we let that set up for just a little bit, and then we'll get our finger wet, or you can use a sponge. I'll just use my finger, and we will streak it and make sure that it's filled in all the cracks. And then we'll wait and let it dry for a little bit longer, probably 5-7 minutes, then pull the tape. Okay, then we're just gonna come back. It's set up for a while. We're just gonna smooth it with the finger. Get a little water on it if you need to. All right, now that it's set up, it's not quite hard, but it's pretty solid. We're just gonna gently pull the tape up before it adheres to the tape. And it doesn't quite match the grout right now, but it will once it dries. So if it's bumping up against the grout, it's not anything to worry about. All you got to really worry is that when you're pulling it up, you don't touch the tile. If you do, just clean it up real quick. And if there's an area that you missed, like right there at the corner, you can just come back and get it and then just use water like you would normal caulk to kind of fix it up. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you want to get notifications, hit the little bell up in the corner.